This It's a Wrap feature presents the best female debuts of 2012. Check it out. While everyone expected her to be just another Western import with immense beauty but little talent, Amy Jackson proves that she has in it to handle complex roles, as she did in Ek Deewana Tha.
मैं अभी तुम्हारे साथ आ जाऊंगी. I really love you. बस सब अच्छे से हो जाए.
If only she masters Hindi and science character-oriented roles, she can make it to big films with A-listers.
मैं अपने डैड को कन्विंस कर लूंगी. मैं तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारे लिए आऊंगी सचिन.
Paoli Dam made a confident debut with Hate Story and seemed at ease in performing the most difficult scenes.
मैं शहर की सबसे बड़ी बनना चाहती हूँ.
Be it the sizzling ones and even the emotionally charged sequences. Audiences were absolutely convinced when men fell for her and were ready to fulfill all her wishes. Hope she doesn't get stereotyped in Hate Story type films and gets to play different type of characters in future.
जब औरत अपनी इज्जत बेचने पर आ जाती है, तो फिर वो किसी भी आदमी को खरीद सकती है.
Yami Gautam, who had made a mark in television and later in Punjabi, Kannada and Telugu films, made everyone sit up and take notice as she made her Bollywood debut with Vicky Donor.
Are you single?
Confirm करके फिर करेगी क्या?
The stunning actress maintained a strong position amidst other talented actors, which is certainly worth applauding. Fans can't wait for the day when she'll sign her second Hindi film.
तुमने मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं? मैं डाइवोर्स हूँ. Still I told you, right? कुछ ही घंटों की शादी थी, फिर भी बताया मैंने तुम्हें because I wanted you to know everything about my life. इतनी बड़ी बात तुम मुझसे कैसे छुपा सकते हो?
The Delhi girl with a beautiful smile, Isha Gupta, made a huge fan base thanks to her decent performance and sizzling avatar in Jannat 2. And that's not all. She came up with 2 more films this year, Raz 3 and Chakravyuh. While she was great as the damsel in distress in Raz 3, she failed to do justice in her character in Chakravyuh, which anyways lacked meat.
दोस्त था आदिल, आज वो तुम्हारा सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है.
Huma Qureshi instantly won hearts with her sweet, funny and sarcastic character of Gangs of Wasseypur Part 1 and Part 2. She enters the first part very late and shows her brilliance in the dream sequence with Nawazuddin and in the now infamous permission scene. In Part 2, however, she gets a meteor role and proves her worth. She was then seen in Love Shav Te Chicken Khurana, and her bittersweet bond with Kunal Kapoor was a decent watch.
क्या तकलीफ है?
आप बताइए, आपको क्या तकलीफ है?
जानवरों का अस्पताल आगे.
Dinah Penty grabbed eyeballs with a cute face and the lovable Tum Hi Ho Bandhu dance step from the promos of Cocktail. Performance-wise, she was first-rate and her chemistry with both Saif Ali Khan as well as Deepika Padukone was impressive. Sunny Leone was apt in the role of a porn star in Jism 2.
मुल्क की मदद तो मैं पहले से ही कर रही हूँ, अपने कपड़े उतार के.
She may not be a great actress, but her huge popularity and superb screen presence makes her magnetic.
अब बस एक पल रुक जाने का मन करता है. इतना.
Choreographer Farah Khan, after turning director, donned the actor's hat with Shireen Farhat ki to nikal padi. Farah, who always had an actor inside her, left audiences spellbound with her performance.
Now you wait, Mr. Farhat. Pasta क्या? Your tank is gone.
तेरे को टांकी तोड़ने का ना और बनाएगा और तोड़ दे.
Her chemistry and pairing with her co-star Boman Irani was much appreciated too.
Good night.
क्या? Good night. जा, तू जा.
Good night. छोड़नी?
The very beautiful Ileana D'Cruz was a pleasure to watch in Anurag Basu's Barfi. Although not Not having a lengthy role as Ranbir Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra, Ileana leaves a huge impression and even deftly portrays an older woman in a significant part of the film. With a cute smile and fine acting potential, Nidhi Subaya proved her worth in Jackie Bhagnani starrer Ajab Gazab Love.
मैरी, अगर मैं गरीब नहीं होता तो
मैं एक सेकंड के लिए भी तुम्हारे पास खड़ी नहीं हूँ।
She was also seen in a supporting role in OMG Oh My God.
चोर बाजार में एक दुकान गिर गई है। ये दुकान श्री कांची लालजी मेहता के नाम से थी।
Priya Anand managed to look beautiful in the presence of beauty queen Sridevi in English Winglish, which was no easy feat. A well-written role and well-enacted performance.
अब सिर्फ लड्डू बनाने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुई।
Although Alia Bhatt gets sidelined in the battle of boys and student of the year, she was one of the most appealing factors in the film. She has looks, the charisma and the ability to give exceptional performance that was proved very well by her in her debut venture. NSD actor Anjali Patil showcased her ultimate acting prowess in Prakash Jhal's Chakravyuh. In the presence of talented performers like Manoj Bajpayee, Om Puri, Abhay Deol and Arjun Rampal, Anjali Patil stood out, making everyone sit up and take notice of this powerhouse of talent.
पुलिस वाला तो तय है, हमें मालूम है कि तय SP आदिल खान के आदमी है.
Which actress out of these according to you made the best debut? Do let us know.